Let's talk about the types of RCCP. Rough cut capacity planning can be done at two levels. First, routing based RCCP. Routing based RCCP evaluates required and available capacity in hours per week for each resource. This level of RCCP demonstrates your resource availability. The routing based RCCP calculated as resource capacity load ratio, which is the ratio of resource required capacity and resource available capacity. Second, rate based RCCP. Rate based RCCP measures required and available capacity per week per production line. This level of RCCP demonstrates your production line capacity. The rate based RCCP calculated as production line capacity load ratio, which is the ratio of production line required capacity and production line available capacity. So both of the way are addressing two different things. Routing based talk about the resource availability and rate based talk about production line capacity.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.